Well, they finally staked the house. They put the stake in now to mark where the actual foundation that the house is going to be, and pretty soon they're going to be excavating here to get the basement started. Yeah, we can't wait. At least they're starting to get the ball rolling in that sense. So well, they've started something. They started digging at least, which is nice. Can't wait, we're excited. So we're checking every chance we have, I guess. It's awesome. Oh wow, they've done something at least. They get the format for the foundation up. There it is, guys. That's the base of the house, basically, as you can see. That is awesome. At least they've done something. Well, I can't wait. It snowed today for the first time, but hopefully this is just initial. It's not quite winter yet, but I'm sure it's gonna melt, and we're gonna get a bit of some seasonal weather. It's not quite winter yet in Calgary, but yeah. No, we're pretty excited. It's almost there. Our basement is going to be, foundation wise, is going to be built pretty soon here. As you can see, that gives you the idea on the width of the house and the garage. There'll be a 3-car garage in the process. And so, cool.